I think it's kuya, right? Yes, Marcelito Pomoy is my kuya. Kamusta? Mabuhay, magandang umaga, and welcome back to MGN Ko. Ako si Ovela, and I think it's only fair that we know more about Marcelito Pomoy because yes, we've seen him perform on a lot of stages out there, you know, and he did amazing. And now the entire world gets to see him on America's Got Talent, The Champions. But I feel like people should also know about him, you know, who is Marcelito Pomoy. So I think in this video we're gonna do that, but also we're gonna try to figure out which song he should perform next on America's Got Talent so that he could, you know, win the entire thing, obviously. All right, so let's start by learning more about Marcelito Pomoy. I'm gonna be reading his Wikipedia info and also this website that you know, mentioned the 5 most important things about Marcelito Pomoy. So we got 5 facts about Marcelito Pomoy. So the first one, it's been said on the video of America's Got Talent. So Marcelito Pomoy used to live on the streets. The singer grew up in the Philippines and told Ellen DeGeneres, because he was invited on Ellen DeGeneres' show and he performed there, we'll talk about that later, that he lived on the streets from a young age, earning the equivalent of $1 per day. That is crazy. He said he's been singing since he was 7 years old, and it shows. I mean, a lot of Filipinos sing since they were babies, toddlers. But it wasn't until he turned 18 that he realized he could make a career out of it. Smart man. All right. Fact number 2, he can sing in both male and female voices. Duh. Marcelito is unique. Tell me about it. In that he can sing in both male tenor voice and a female soprano voice. Because of this, he's able to perform popular male/female duets with a partner. See, this is why I'm doing this video, because most people, they watch his video and they're like, oh my god, he can sing like a woman and like a man, but they don't know the real terms, the technical stuff. So he can sing like a tenor voice, that is the main man's voice, and the soprano voice, that is the female voice, that was Celine Dion in this case, the prayer, and Andrea Bocelli's voice was the tenor one. Not only does he sing both high and low parts, but he switches back and forth between them seamlessly, and that's where he gets the audience. It's the contrast that I think is so special about Marcelito Pomoy. Famous performances from him include The Prayer, Beauty and the Beast. We'll talk about that a little bit in a few minutes. Marcelito won Pilipinas Got Talent in 2011. So basically Pilipinas, it's basically Philippines Got Talent. Marcelito was named the winner of Pilipinas Got Talent Season 2. As a result of being on the show, Marcelito was able to reunite with his family, and they explained that in the video. That was beautiful. His mother abandoned him as a child when his father was in prison. Man, that is nuts! And she asked his forgiveness when they met again. I should hope so. His family also attended the show's finals to see him perform. That must have been such a crazy thing, you know. I have to react to it. I think this is the 4th fact now. He's released 2 albums. See? Gotta tell people this. Marcelito released his first album, Duet Yourself, in 2011. It featured covers of The Prayer, Let the Love Begin, and Forever. Then in 2013, he released a second album called Split. Oh my god, that is the name of that movie with the... It's that movie with James McAvoy, who, by the way, is one of the best actors out there, one of my favorite actors. But yeah, because in that movie he has multiple personalities, and I guess, you know, Marcelito Pomoy sings in 2 voices, so it makes sense. Which featured several songs in Filipino. Oh, okay, so the second one is just in Filipino. All right. Marcelito's competing on AGT The Champions. Well, we know. Marcelito is taking his talent to the AGT stage on season 2 of AGT The Champion. In a video from the show's YouTube channel, Marcelito says he wanted to join the show to share my talent and added, I deserve to be here. Yes, you do. I mean, you won Pilipinas Got Talent. If you've seen his performances, it's hard to argue with that. Damn right! Marcelito's family life. On September 21, 2014, Pomoy married Joanne Paraiso. That's a nice last name. Of Calawag, Quezon. And they have one daughter, Marcela Janya. What? Wait, Janya? Shouldn't she be named Marcela Janya Pomoy, or at least his wife's last name, Paraiso? Paraiso. Look, we all love Marcelito Pomoy, but I think Paraiso is prettier than Pomoy, in my opinion. In an Instagram post, Marcelito wrote about his experience becoming a father. He said, "Being a father has been, without a doubt, my greatest source of achievement, pride, and inspiration. Fatherhood has taught me about unconditional love, reinforced the importance of giving back, and taught me how to be a better person." Beautifully said, beautifully said. All right, now let's move on to the Wikipedia portion of this. All right, so Marcelito Pomoy's real name is not just Marcelito Pomoy, Marcelito Mars Castro Pomoy. Damn. Okay, so I thought Paraiso was nice, but Mars Castro? It's dope, it's dope. Born September 22, 1984. So he is older than me. He's my big brother. He's my, how do you say in Filipino? Kuya? I think it's kuya, right? Yes, Marcelito Pomoy is my kuya. So he is a Filipino singer known for his ability to sing in both tenor and soprano. He is the grand winner of the second season of Pilipinas Got Talent. Let's see about his early life. Pomoy was born in Imus, Cavite, and raised in Bislig City, Surigao del Sur. Del Sur of the South? I think that's what it means. When he was young, his father was incarcerated while his mother left him alone with his younger sibling and went to Manila. How do you abandon your kids? God, I mean, life can be tough, man. He was later adopted by a police officer and did odd jobs when he was a teenager. What? Dude, that is crazy. Later on, both his biological father and mother had separate families on their own. Okay. Pomoy had discovered a talent of his while... That is... What? Wait. So, the kid was abandoned by his mother. His dad was incarcerated. And after that, while he was still abandoned by the mother, she had another family on the side. That's messed up. I'm sorry, that's messed up. Pomoy had discovered a talent of his while doing poultry work. Poultry work? Like when you take care of chickens or something? Singing in both a male tenor voice and a strikingly convincing female soprano voice. This talent of his paved the way for him to join different contests in both the amateur and professional leagues. He tried his luck in Talenta Dong Pinoy but didn't make it. He later joined the second season of Pilipinas Got Talent and he made the cut. At the course of his Pilipinas Got Talent stint, he was able to fulfill his lifelong dream to reunite with his family. Pomoy's success on PGT led to his being a contestant on the second season of America's Got Talent, The Champions. Yes, baby. Beginning with episode 2, which aired January 13, 2020. Pomoy makes regular appearances on ASAP. Yes, I've reacted to some of his performances on ASAP. And his first studio album, entitled Do It Yourself, was released in 2011 under Star Records. Wow, they don't even mention the second album on Wikipedia. Maybe someone should update this. And his personal life. On September 21st, 2014, Pomoy married Joanne Paraiso of Calawag, Quezon, and they have one daughter, Marcela Janaya. There we go. This is the history of Marcelito Pomoy. I hope you guys learned something about him. Now, time to talk about the song that he needs to perform to move on to the finale, I guess, to the finals, right? All right, so I believe he needs to find the right balance between a popular song, right? But also a song that is a duet, because let's face it, Marcelito Pomoy is a great singer, but I don't think he'll be able to win if he sings a song that does not include two voices, okay? Because there are better singers than Marcelito Pomoy who can beat him, you know? But there aren't many singers that can do what he does, meaning sing a tenor voice and a soprano voice. So I did some research, honestly. I went and tried to look for the best duets ever, and I couldn't find something special, you know, something out of the ordinary. I even researched the best Andrea Bocelli duets, the best Celine Dion duets. You know, I found a few, but nothing that is super popular that could really impress the fans, you know, the public. So, and then I asked you guys in the community section of my channel which song he should sing. And you guys mentioned Beauty and the Beast, which he already sang, and a lot of Disney, and also the Aladdin A Whole New World. I agree with both of those two because they are super popular, they are duets, and the contrast between the female and male voice are pretty striking. So I think those are good choices. But you guys also mentioned Endless Love, and he did perform that song, and I believe I reacted to it. And I think that one might just be the winner, you know, because it's a very, very, very popular song that also appeared in many shows, many TV shows, many movies, you know. And the contrast between the male and female voice is wonderful. But I like that song, but I believe that A Whole New World and Beauty and the Beast are prettier than Endless Love. So I am torn between Endless Love and A Whole New World, because A Whole New World, honestly, if he can sing that one to perfection and maybe put a little bit of a spin to it, you know, I think he could move on to the next round with that one. And it's such a popular song. The Aladdin movie came out not too long ago, so it's still in people's minds, you know, it's still fresh. So yeah, but I cannot see any other song, because there are other popular duet songs, but that aren't ballads, you know. There are more popular songs, you know, more up-tempo music, and that's not really what Marcelito Pomoy does. Maybe he can do it, but he hasn't shown me that side of him. I mean, he could really wow the judges and the fans if he actually does a song that isn't a ballad that includes two voices, but I really don't see him do that. So I'm saying, yeah, Endless Love, Beauty and the Beast, and A Whole New World. So now it's your turn to tell me in the comment section below if you can think of another song that has a duet in it that is very popular, but also that is special, you know, and that includes like a low male voice and a high female voice. Oh, there is an R. Kelly and Celine Dion song that I love, something about I'm Your Angel, I think that's the name of it. It's a beautiful song, but after, you know, what happened to R. Kelly and stuff, I don't think it's a safe bet, you know, to to perform that song, but I think it's very pretty. So if I had to vote, if I had to choose one, I would go with A Whole New World. Yes, I would go with A Whole New World. So which song would you go with? Which song do you think he should sing? And if you have other suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you guys have learned something about Marcelito in this video. And yeah, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourselves. Have a great day. And I will see you in the next one as usual. Go Marcelito. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.